What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing a stock market portfolio update. But before I get into it, I just wanted to do a little update and just tell you guys what's been going on in my life, and it's actually helped, and it kind of relates to the investing, I guess. So my mindset has switched a little bit. I did speak about it in my previous YouTube video with investing and everything, and I've just been trying to do small little changes in my life because I'll be honest, like I like to go out a lot. I go out a lot, probably a bit too much, and maybe I should tone it down a bit, which I have a little bit more, although I am going to a festival next weekend. But I'm rambling here, I'm rambling off the subject, but pretty much what I'm saying is I neglected my fitness, a routine, and that's something I did actually miss. So actually, some of the YouTube videos I've filmed, I used to go to the gym. That's when I used to actually be consistent with the gym. And the whole point of why I'm talking about this is because I've started the gym again, and I've only been going for the last week or so, and I want to get into a routine again, which I'm slowly getting back into. And the reason why I say this is because I want to start getting into a routine with the stock market, in the sense of investing a certain amount every month, which at the moment is £250 to be transparent, at the start of every month, and I invest into it. I did it this month, and I'm going to be doing it next month, which is only a few days away, so there'll be another £250 going in. But that's something I wanted to say, and just in general, and I've just tried to be a bit more structured, I think the word is. And I think little things that you play outside of your life, it all compound and it all work together. And I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like everything you do to better yourself, it'll slowly compound, and it'll be a very, very good life choice for you guys to do. And you guys might not be anywhere, like don't want to go into the gym, you're not much of a gym person, but like it really helps you with so much. Like even with my work, which you guys, I don't know if you know about, I do videography. That's what I am. I'm a videographer, and I just do freelance, go to different companies, do promo videos, blah blah whatever. And yeah, it just has helped me so much with just being more motivated, get the edits done, be more structured with things, and it's just everything I've done recently hopefully will help me, and so far it's helped a lot. Just want to say as well, thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. We're actually past that now. We're actually on 2,020 subscribers as I'm recording this right now, which is insane. Can't believe it. Thank you so much for that. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's get into the stock market portfolio, because that's what you're here for. The ranges are going to change, like the pricing's going to change throughout this video, because it's actually open. The stock market is open. I'm recording this on a Monday, I believe. 27 shares of Alibaba did really well on Friday, and it's just sold off again. So brilliant with Alibaba. I thought this was going to be it, start going on its upward trend, but no. If you just look at the graph though, it's mad. It is crazy. So holding strong with Alibaba. Let's go on to the next one. Apple stock, lovely stuff. Got 7 shares of Apple. Obviously, I haven't bought into Apple for years, to be honest with you. I've just let it run, which I would like to do. I would like to get more of Apple, but it's like, I don't know. I feel like I could put my money elsewhere into something that could give me more growth. And that's probably the trouble with me. I'm very like, I guess I'm not very safe, to be honest with you. I'll just go for really like higher risk but high reward, which long term, does that even work? That's what we're here to find out. That's the whole point of Ben's big journey. That's why I created this YouTube channel. It's just a big journey. Yeah, I guess that's just the way I am as an investor. I just look for companies that could become one of the biggest companies in the world. That's how I look at things. Who knows? That's probably not the way to go, but I'm getting a bit more sensible, I guess. So no hate. BAE Systems, British Aerospace, 340 shares, up 10%, lovely stuff. And it pays a dividend of 2.7%, yeah. So not too bad at all. Right, Lucid, I am annoyed with myself with this, because when I got into Lucid, I was very, very new to the stock market. You can go back on some of the YouTube videos. And the more I've learned with the stock market and just the way things work and why things are priced in and why the stock market's like that, I got caught up in the hype badly, like really badly. As I'm scrolling down, you can see how much I've lost, and the FX impact actually helping me out there, as you can see. it's just annoying. But that's a lesson learned, and we move on in a way. But I am holding strong because it's not me saying, oh, I don't believe in it. What I'm saying is I was stupid to buy in at the price I bought in. Like, I bought in at $20 a share, like even higher probably because I averaged down a bit. But what am I thinking? Like, it's nowhere near worth $20 a share. I was doing that. It's not even worth $5, to be honest with you. Like, and that's what's annoyed me, like how I've not, do you know what I mean? Obviously, when I say it's not worth $5 at this moment in time, it's not worth $5, but it's a good price to buy at $5 if you believe in the company, and hopefully there is the growth. But it is a very risky stock. Yeah, it could run out of money. Luckily, they've got the Saudis backing them. The technology that they have there is very, very good, and they've got the best range vehicles out there when it comes to the electric car market. But I've done more research into Tesla as well. Tesla is a very, 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 very good stock to get into. They've got so much more growth, and people talking about S-curves. Actually, let's get into Tesla in a minute. Anyway, NIO, we're down 55%, got caught up in the high. It is mad though. It is actually crazy to think back then, like $60 a share. Now it's struggling, like it's $8. It's just mad. Palantir, bought some more shares of this, bought back at the first of the month, obviously the 250, and also I put another £500 in. Just wanted to get that average down as much as I can, and I'm still going to, like, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go heavy in Palantir because that's my biggest conviction stock. This is what I believe in. You guys might not believe in it, but do your own research and see if you have the same conviction as what I think it's going to be. I think it's going to be a massive stock in the future. And yeah, it'd be very interesting to see how it does. 1,000 shares of Rolls-Royce, up £352, 17%, lovely stuff. That's what we like. Tesla, we've got 7.5 shares of this, want to get more of Tesla. So we're going to get into this now. So Tesla, the reason why I think Tesla is going to be even more bigger than it actually is now, which is insane because it's already a huge company, but it's not just an electric car vehicle company, which everyone knows about. And they've got so many different business models that they can go down, which is insane. And the amount of S-curves that these guys can go into, like, and what I mean by S-curves is like the growth stage of what Tesla can go into. They've already been in an S-curve with their electric vehicle car company, which they're still in now, and they've got so much more growth to go with. I think like they're doing 1 million a year deliveries, cars, and then they want to get to 20 million from what I remember in a year. So that's insane growth. That's 20 times. And then on top of that, with the autonomous driving, by the way, if I mess up some words, I'm so badly dyslexic. With the autonomous driving, the amount of data that they're collecting, which I didn't even know, they're collecting 1 million miles a day, which is insane. So much more than any electric car vehicle company. So they're going to have so much data that every car company is going to have to use Tesla. Like, surely the government are going to put some rules and regulations in to say Tesla are the ones that you need to use the data they've used, because they've got so much more miles gathered and data across the whole world, and they can just sell that out surely every month to these car companies. This is blah blah blah. And on top of that, they can surely do something with Uber, or even do their own thing with a taxi driving service with no human being in it, and they can fully drive itself. So there's so many different angles that they can go down. They got the solar, they want to get into the supercomputers, they want to get into their own chips, I believe. They're gonna have robots or something. They're just, Elon Musk is a joke of a guy. Like, he's already so rich. He's the richest guy in the world. But you know, when you see these films where it's like the companies take over the world and it's just run by a company, like Elon Musk is that guy, and he's gonna turn it into like that. And it's a bit scary how the world could go. But going back, I'm on Virgin Galactic, as you can see, but going back to Tesla, I'm keeping my eye on it, because if it keeps getting cheaper and cheaper, I'm going to buy into it, because I do want to really get into the Tesla more. I want more shares of it, so I'm keeping an eye on it. Anyway, I got Virgin Galactic. Don't even know why I have it. Like, I've just got it here, like 3 shares of it. Like, what's the point? But I've got it. Lost a lot of money. Well, I say a lot of money is still, well, I lost all of my money pretty much that I put in it. I got into the stock market pretty much when, like, I think 2020, and then the big like the amount of money that people were making in the stock market is scary. Like, as you can see, this share went to $54 and we're at $1.64. That's just how mental it was, and that's how like I got caught up with a lot of things, especially for someone who's new in the stock market. But I've learned a lot of lessons, and I'm glad I've learned it at this age instead of learning it and getting into the stock market like in my 40s or 50s and then losing a lot of money because I got caught up with the hype. Invest account, boom, we got £8 worth of Lake Resources, down a lot of money on that. Let's skip it. Someone asked me, how much you've put in, how much have you got back? Let's just go into it. Before I forget as well, link in the description. If you want a free share, click it. You got to fund your account to get a free share, and then I get a free share as well. As you can see, we've got some people that signed up but haven't like fully done it, and it would be interesting to see what stocks we get. I would show you guys as well, obviously, because I'll be fully transparent. All right, history. So I'm up £600. At least we've got something where we're up. I'm earning cash every day, interest on my cash, because I've got cash just sat there in the portfolio because I sold out Barratt Developments. Because me and my granddad was saying, like, with the housing market, and this was before the interests that came out, and so the house market will be getting better, it seems, and hence why Barratt Developments have actually gone up recently. So we kind of sold it a bit at a time. But so yeah, as you can see, I bought 43 shares on the 21st of September of Palantir, and I bought more Palantir. Obviously it would be, okay, I was struggling to find where this 250 that I put in is. Okay, it was on the 11th of September, I bought more Palantir and got 20 shares. So yeah, all right, I'm going to add up all the portfolios. I say all, it's just it's just the one with that extra cash. So we got £23,200 in the stock market portfolio, and yeah, not too bad. Obviously it's a down day today, not a very good day. So that's my stock market portfolio update. Hopefully you did enjoy this. Please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new, and also link in the description if you want a free share, if you want to get into the stock market. You've got to deposit some money for yourself to get a free share, and for me to get a free share, and I'll share it on the YouTube channel and see what we got. And yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next one.